Imagine this. Earth is not just a planet floating aimlessly through space. It's a neuron, one single cell in the mind of something far greater than we can imagine. And the universe? It's not empty. It's alive, thinking, evolving. What if we've been living inside a brain all along, and that brain is the universe? Stick with us until the end, because what we're about to show you might forever change how you see reality, your place in it, and what consciousness even means. Subscribe to No Way, where the line between science and speculation vanishes into mystery. There's a theory, not a popular one, but one that keeps resurfacing in whispers, in abstract papers, in deep corners of science and philosophy. It's called the neurocosmic hypothesis. It suggests this: the universe functions like a giant neural network, where planets are neurons, stars are firing signals, and galaxies form circuits of information transfer. Now you might ask, why would anyone think this? Because when scientists mapped out large-scale cosmic structures, filaments, voids, and clusters, they were stunned. They looked eerily similar to brain scans. In 2020, astrophysicist Franco Vasa and neuroscientist Alberto Faletti compared images of neural tissue and cosmic web simulations. The result? A staggering 74% similarity in structural complexity. That's not a coincidence. That's a clue. If the universe is a brain, then what is Earth? Let's break it down. In our brains, neurons communicate via electrical impulses. They send signals across vast networks, forming thoughts, memories, even identities. Now look at Earth. It's constantly emitting radio waves, electromagnetic signals, gravitational ripples. It's active, connected, and it interacts with its environment. It even has a magnetic field, a kind of biological charge. If Earth were a neuron, it would have: the surface equals the cell body, the magnetosphere equals a membrane, satellites and probes equal dendrites, receiving information from the outside. Broadcasts, signals, and data equals axons, sending out pulses into the void. And we, humans, might just be the neurotransmitters, the agents of signal, the moving parts that allow this cell to express itself. Let's zoom out. Think of how your own body works. Your brain isn't separate from your organs. Your organs aren't separate from your cells. Everything is connected. Now picture a superorganism, a living system composed of multiple individuals working as one. We see them all the time. A colony of ants forming a single mind, a hive of bees dancing as one, a forest communicating through underground mycelium. What if the cosmos is the largest superorganism of all? Each planet, a neuron; each solar system, a ganglion; each galaxy, a lobe; each black hole, a node of memory; and the whole thing, a living, breathing, evolving mind. Let's get technical. In neuroscience, we identify structures like axons, the long projection that sends signals; dendrites, branch structures that receive inputs; synapses, gaps where electrical or chemical signals jump across. In astronomy, we've observed cosmic filaments, massive thread-like formations of matter stretching billions of light years; galactic clusters, dense intersections of galaxies; dark voids, empty spaces akin to neural gaps. It's not just poetic, it's structural. There's even evidence that quantum information might transfer across black holes, echoing how synapses pass data across neurons. So, is the universe thinking? Let's go further. Our universe might not be the only one. Multiverse theories suggest there could be infinite universes, each with their own laws, dimensions, and origins. Now imagine, each universe equals one brain. All of them share a population of superorganisms, a cosmic ecology, an entire ecosystem of minds floating in a larger hyperstructure we cannot yet perceive. And maybe, just maybe, these universes can communicate through black holes, through quantum entanglement, through signals we don't yet understand. Maybe when a star dies here, a star is born there. Or when we dream, something watches, listens. This isn't science fiction, it's cosmic biology. Let's return to us. If Earth is a neuron and humans are signal carriers, then who or what are we really? Are we the synaptic sparks of a thinking planet? The voice of a cell that's trying to speak to the universe? Or worse, are we a disruption? What happens if we overload our planet with noise? If we destroy its balance? If we silence its signal? Could that be like a neuron dying in a brain? And what if, somewhere out there, this cosmic brain is already aware of us? What if it's trying to respond? There have been strange things. Fast radio bursts, FRBs. Incredibly brief, incredibly powerful pulses of energy from deep space. Some of them repeat with eerie precision. The wow signal, detected once, never again, as if something shouted across the void. Cosmic background radiation, a faint hum, the fossil light from the universe's birth, or a lingering echo of something older. Are these random events, or the firing neurons of a mind we cannot comprehend? What if our entire existence is part of that thought? A dream, a question, a whisper within a whisper. If Earth is a neuron in a cosmic brain, then we are not just passengers of a cold universe. We are part of its process, part of its story, part of its consciousness. And consciousness implies purpose. Not destiny, not fate, but function. Maybe our role is to observe. Maybe it's to create. Or maybe it's simply to keep the signal alive. Because if we go silent, if we destroy our world, if we sever the connection, a neuron dies, a thought vanishes, a part of the universe goes dark. If this theory holds even a grain of truth, then everything you've ever known, your thoughts, your fears, your dreams, might not be yours alone. They might be fragments of a larger thought, one that began at the dawn of time and is only now realizing that it exists. Want to go deeper? In the next episode, we'll ask the ultimate question: what happens when the universe becomes fully self-aware? And what are the signs that it's already starting? Subscribe to No Way, because reality is far weirder than fiction.